To fix a Doordash account that is locked for review, follow these steps. First, understand that a locked account can occur due to various reasons such as suspicious activity, multiple failed login attempts, or non-compliance with Doordash terms of service. When your account is locked, you will not be able to access it or receive deliveries. To resolve this issue, start by contacting Doordash customer support directly. You can do this through the Doordash app or website by clicking on the Help section and then contacting support. Provide your account information and a clear explanation of the issue you are experiencing. The support team may request additional verification to ensure the security of your account. Be prepared to provide identification or other necessary documents to verify your identity. In some cases, Doordash may request that you reset your password or update your account information to comply with their terms of service. Follow the instructions provided by the support team to complete any required actions. Once you have completed the necessary steps, your account will be reviewed and unlocked if everything is in order. This process may take some time, so be patient and wait for a response from the Doordash support team. To avoid having your account locked in the future, make sure to use strong and unique passwords. Keep your account information up to date, and comply with Doordash terms of service. By following these steps and best practices, you can resolve the issue and continue using your Doordash account without any problems. It is essential to note that prevention is key, so regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious behavior to Doordash support. By taking proactive steps to secure your account, you can minimize the risk of it being locked for review and ensure a seamless delivery experience. Remember to always follow the instructions provided by the Doordash support team and provide any necessary information to resolve the issue quickly. By working together with Doordash, you can resolve the account lock and get back to enjoying your favorite food deliveries.